Alright guys, break a box of 2010-11 Donruss Elite. Donruss, not Elite. Just gonna introduce you my friend Mojo Drew.
What's up, man?
We're at Target right now. Just decided to buy a booster box. Let's see how we do. Let's see. I honestly see. Here you go, that's your jersey card. Oh God. Here we go, it's gonna be a long day. Alright. Courtney Lee, James Johnson, Rajon Rondo. We got ourselves a cut card, Steve Nash. Nice. Gilbert Arenas, Greg Oden, JJ Redick. Team cards. Wrong team. Literally the wrong team. I'll give that to Matthew. Next pack. Let's see. Never done YouTube. Never done this before. So I want to see how it actually comes out. Anthony Morneau, Carlos Jones, Luis Suarez. Die cut of Kevin Garnett's, not numbered, still pretty nice. Paul Millsap, Taquan Cook, rookie of Luke Herringaudy and Orlando Magic's. Base. Alright. Yeah, that's your jersey card. It has to be. Could be patch. Felt kind of thick. Alright. Here we go. Jordan Farmar with the Nets uniform. Now in the Lakers. The other team of the Magic. Team checklist, not numbered. Andre Miller, Jason Williams. Let's see. This guy's a rookie. Quixie Pondexter. That's a cool last name.
Like that. Had that song.
Which one?
What's the move?
Who's in that?
I don't know.
Joakim, Hashim, Jonas. Oh, sweet. Duos of Larry Bird and Magic Johnson. Autograph. I'm just kidding. That's a sick card, though. It's a pretty nice card.
Beautiful.
Can you believe this guy's still playing? I still can't believe he's still playing. It's still pretty cool, though, that he could play at that age. Rookie of Cole Aldridge and Portland Trailblazers. Let's see. Yeah, it has to be a jersey or a patch. It's not an autograph. But then again, you never know. Andrew Bogut, here you go. We got a cut of Antonio Wright or Antoine Wright. Not numbered. My boy Tony Parker, K. Martin, Paul George and Jordan Crawford, and a checklist of Kevin Durant. I've seen one that's actually refractor. Yeah, it's actually numbered. Yeah, a checklist that's numbered. Whoop. Alright, we're good. We got 3 packs left. My prediction's actually coming true. Looks like it. That we're gonna just get a jersey card. I think that's my prediction. Yao Ming, Luol Deng, Dale Arthur, KG. Finally, we get a numbered card. Number 299. Right there. Joe Johnson. Oh! Blake Griffin. Let's see, we got Greg Monroe, team checklist. What up, Bucks boy? And Carl Landry. Let's see, put that there. And second to last pack. maybe I was better off just buying the packs. I don't know. Brandon Jennings, Flex Boy, Powell Gasol. Nice, got another numbered card. $2.99, $9.99. Marcus Thornton, Mike Bibby, Damian James, Grant Hill, and the hit. Let's see. I'm hoping it's a patch. It feels really thick. It's not. I don't think it is. Alright, here we go.
Oh.
Alright, I moved the cards to the front, so got a cut card of this guy. I think you already saw who I got. I don't know. Let's see, Nick Young, Dominic Jones, rookie. Teams of Oklahoma City. What up, Gindy? Oh, I see purple and gold. If it's Kobe, I think we did good then. If it's Kobe. Troy Murphy. Oh, it's Lamar Odom. Jersey card. And that's numbered to $3.99. The purple and gold got me, so that got me excited. It's still pretty nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all soon.